Hello guys. Today we will discuss the important question answers of my childhood. An extract from Wings of Fire, a biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The first question, where was Abdul Kalam's house? Abdul Kalam's house was situated at Rameshwaram. What do you think Dinamani is the name of? Give a reason for your answer. Dinamani is the name of the newspaper. Abdul Kalam used to trace the headlines of this newspaper for news about the war. And third question, who were Abdul Kalam's school friends? What did they later become? They were Ramanatha Shastri, Aravindan and Shivaprakasan. Ramanatha Shastri became the priest of the Rameshwaram temple. Aravindan took up transport business. Shivaprakasan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways. Our fourth question is, how did Abdul Kalam earn his first wages? He earned his first wages by becoming a helping hand to his cousin. He caught the newspapers bundles for him from the moving train. And fifth question, had he earned any money before that? In what way? Yes, by collecting tamarind seeds and selling them to a provision shop. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. How does the author describe his father, his mother, himself? The author describes his father as a simple man. He had neither much formal education nor wealth, but he had great wisdom. He was very large hearted, he was very considerate, he was also an austere man. The author describes his mother as kind and large hearted. She used to feed many people every day. She had all the motherly qualities. The author went to Ramanathapuram for further studies. She became emotional then. About himself, the author says that he was one of many children. He was a short boy with a rather undistinguished looks. Theirs was a middle class Tamil family in Rameshwaram. Now we can match the phrases in column A with the meanings in column B. I will read from column A. Broke out in accordance with a helping hand, could not stomach, generosity or spirit, figures of authority. Column B. An attitude of kindness, a readiness to give freely, was not able to tolerate, began suddenly in a violent way. Assistants, persons with the power to make decisions according to a particular rule, principle, or system. Here, the first phrase is broke out. Broke out can be matched with began suddenly in a violent way. From the column B, C is the answer. In accordance with F, according to a particular rule, principle, or system. A helping hand, assistance. Could not stomach means was not able to tolerate. Generosity of spirit, A. An attitude of kindness, a readiness to give freely. Figures of authority, persons with the power to make decisions. Now I am reading from page number 76 of your textbook. Now form the opposites of the words below by prefixing un or in. Here the words are given: adequate, inadequate, demanding, undemanding, patriotic, unpatriotic, logical, illogical, acceptable, unacceptable, active, inactive, disputed, undisputed, legal, illegal, regular, irregular, true, untrue, accessible, inaccessible, responsible, irresponsible, tolerant, intolerant, permanent, impermanent, coherent, incoherent, possible, impossible. In the page number 77 of your textbook, you have an exercise to do. Rewrite the sentences below, changing the verbs in brackets into the passive form. That's the question. The first question is, in yesterday's competition, the prizes in the bracket give away by the principal. Second question is, in spite of financial difficulties, the laborers pay on time. Third one, on Republic Day, vehicles not allowed beyond this point. Fourth one, second-hand books buy and sell on the permanent every Saturday. Fifth question is, elections to the Lok Sabha held every 5 years. Sixth one, our national anthem composed Rabindranath Tagore. So the first question, in yesterday's competition, the prizes give away by the principal. We can change into passive form. In yesterday's competition, the prizes were given away by the principal. And the second answer we can write down, in spite of financial difficulties, the laborers were paid on time. And third one, on Republic Day, vehicles were not allowed beyond this point. Fourth answer is, second-hand books are bought and sold on the permanent every Saturday. Fifth one, elections to Lok Sabha are held every 5 years. Sixth answer is, our national anthem has been composed by Rabindranath Tagore. I hope that you have understood all the question and answers and the textbook exercises. So complete everything very well. Thank you.